The area of the circle that can be inscribed in a square of side 6 centimeter is straightforward question, very simple. So we have a square and it's given the side of the square is 6 centimeter. There is a circle inscribed in a square, in the square. So that means the circle has to be like this. So all these 4 sides of the square should be the tangents to the circle. Now we are supposed to find the area of the circle. It's very easy, and it's also obvious to witness that this is going to be the diameter, and the diameter is again going to be 6. The side of the square is same as the diameter of the circle. So diameter is 6, which means radius is 3, which means area of the circle is pi into r square. That means pi into 3 square, which is 9 pi. So 9 pi centimeter square, option D should be the right answer. Yes, we are perfectly right. Option D is the right answer.